Hi guys, this is Tesh Patabata this side and welcome to Marketing Mood. In this video, I am going to answer one of the most asked questions that every affiliate marketer asks at the beginning of its journey. How can I find the best and profitable niche for affiliate marketing? And this is the most important question because if you are just going with any random niche which is either recommended by a marketer or blogger, you either will be wasting a lot of your money and time, and you might not be getting any result which will demotivate you, and you might even live this journey. So obviously I don't want that, and that's why what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my 5-step strategy which has helped me in finding out the best niches for myself, and which is going to help you in finding out the best niche for you. So let's get started and let's come to my computer screen where I'm going to show you all the 5 steps which is going to help you. So now we are on my computer screen and I'm going to show you that how you can find out the best niches. So the first step is, so you have to write down all the topics whether you are interested, you have good knowledge, or you may be passionate about. To write down all the topics, maybe it will be like 10 or 20 topics. Okay. Now after writing all the topics, what you have to do, you have to write down some subtopics. After writing down some subtopics, you will see in some niches you have like so many idea that what you can share, while in some niches you don't have enough idea that what you are going to share. So where you have enough idea, then you already have the knowledge which you can share with your audience, and those can be your best niche. Now let's come to the second step where we are going to niche it down even further. Let me clear this. Now the second step is to choose a micro niche. Obviously you have decided so many niches. Now you have to find out one best niche, and for that you have to choose the micro niches. It can be anything for you. Let's suppose I am talking about I'm a pet trainer. Okay. So I train pets. Now, these pets can be anything, like this can be a horse or a cat or a dog or maybe a rabbit or something. So I'm a pet trainer. So if you have a pet, you might come to me. But what if I say I'm a dog trainer? So all the dog owners would prefer to come to me because I'm an expert dog trainer rather than a normal trainer. So the people would come to me and they will even pay me more, right? So let's suppose I'm paying just $1 here. I'm getting two or maybe $3 here for training a dog because I'm an expert, right? Now let's go even further. I would suggest to take you to like 2 or 3 steps further. So now let's suppose I am a Labrador dog trainer. So all the Labrador dog trainer would come to me rather than going to a normal dog trainer. Okay. So I'm an specialized. Okay. Previously, I was an expert in dog training, but now I'm specialized for Labrador dogs. So I'm the person who can train your Labrador dog better than anyone else. So the Labrador dog trainer, because they have the Labrador species, so they will be able to pay even more, right? And they would prefer to come to me rather than going a normal dog trainer. So I'm making good money by training less dogs also. So I'm definitely targeting a shorter number of audience, but I'm getting more revenue from them because I'm charging way more than these people. Okay. So that is how you have to find out a micro niche for yourself where you're going to find out the product and promote. And that is when we are going to move for our third step. Now, our third step is to find out the product in our niche. Now, if you have any physical product, you can go for Amazon. Now, you can see there are a lot of physical products on this website. Let's just talk about the dogs again. Okay, so if I'm talking about the dog belts, okay, so here you can find out a lot of bells, which you call like collar. Okay, you can find out the dog collar, or maybe you can find out the food for dog for your dog. So there are a lot of products that you can promote, but Amazon is a platform for the physical product. If you want to promote a training program for dogs, then you have to go for ClickBank. Okay, so ClickBank is a very big marketplace for digital products, and especially they are like they have very good product regarding your fitness, health, and pet training kind of niches. So you can definitely go there and find out your niche. For that, you have to try sign up. Let me just sign up and show you inside, okay? So now guys, I have logged into my new account and let's move to the marketplace. Now in the marketplace, you can see so many categories here. By the way, these are the markets where you can find out so many niches inside. So if I talk about the dog again, so here you can see that there are animal care and pets, and there are like some other niches which regarding if you talk about the home and fitness, so there are so many niches inside which you can see and you can find out your price product. Now one more platform which I recommend if you are selling any software kind of deals. So there's a platform named JVZoo where you can find out software as a service tools which we use for like companies and marketing. So there are so many tools which they promote regarding the marketing. You have to just sign up in JVZoo and then you will be able to see so many programs. So just let me show you inside once, okay? So guys, I have directly come to the marketplace, which is the name of jvjumarket.com. This is the actual URL, and you can find out so many products here, which you can just go for and promote. By the way, guys, the actual place where you can find out all the JVG products and with the launching date is Munchai. So you have to go to munchai.com where you can see all the product launches because it's a product launch calendar. So you can see all the JVG launches here. So guys, as you can see here, these are the products which are going to launch in the near future. So you can choose any product according to your niche, and you can also plan your strategy that how you're going to promote it, and then you can just apply for it via this platform. You have to go to the JVju page. Unfortunately, the page is not available for this product. So you can go for any product and you can go to the JVju page and you will get the link to apply for the affiliate. Okay, so similarly, you can find out any product in your niche and go for the promotion. Now, one more platform which I recommend if you are promoting lifetime deals. If you are promoting any lifetime deals for the marketers or any kind of business, then AppSumo is the wonderful place because they continuously launch a lot of product, a lot of tools, and those tools are available for the lifetime deals. And if you want to promote any lifetime deals, then definitely go for this platform. So now after all this platform, I'm sure you will find out one of the best product for you to promote. Now, the next thing what you can do is you have to find out that whether people are interested in those product or not. So what you have to do, you have to go to Google Trends, and now you have to search for a keyword regarding your product. Let's suppose I'm searching for mixer grinder. So mixer grinder is a physical product, and let's suppose I'm searching for it. Let's see what is the trend for mixer grinder. So it is showing me the result in US and the trend is like going down. So if I'm trying to promote the mixer grinder, then not many people are searching for it, right? But let's check it worldwide or maybe in India. Okay, let's check it worldwide. So in worldwide, the people are looking for it. So if I'm promoting mixer grinder, I have a chance to get some sales if I'm targeting the worldwide audience. Okay, so that's how I decided whether people are looking for it or not, and I can do further research like where they are getting most of the sales. For example, if I'm targeting India, are people in India searching for it or not? And according to the graph, I can see that like in the trending graph, it is around 50% of the people looking for it. So there's some charts. If I'm promoting mixer grinder, I will get some sales. Now the most important thing is that I have the product, I have the audience, I have the niche selection, I have the niche which is finalized. But have I checked the competition? If so many people are targeting on this niche and like there's not much trend here, not many people are looking for it, then I might not be able to make any sale. So I have to check the competition also. And for that, I will just go to google.com and search for the keyword. Now I will search for the keyword mixer grinder. So as you can see, when I search for the keyword, it is showing me so many results, but mainly the result is from Amazon. Okay, so what I can see, I can type out, I can type the more specific keyword, which is best mixer grinder. Now when I type, I can see some results which are like promoting this product. And now what I have to do, I have to do a competitor research on this website. I will take the URL of this website and put it on a premium tool like Href or SEMrush. I have to check whether this website have the higher domain authority, or this website are ranking even having the low domain authority. So if I find out that any of this site has the domain authority around 30 and it is ranking, then probably I have the chance to rank and make some sales. So this is how I do the competitor research. You can go even further. You can see that how many website traffic they are getting. Is there any keyword where they're trending? So you can do all the keyword research with those premium tools, and then you can decide whether you will be able to stand out there or not. By the way, I recommend if any website which has the domain authority less than 30, and if they are ranking, then probably there's a higher chance that you will be able to rank and make some sales. So go accordingly. Now guys, you know all the 5-step strategies. You have to just follow the strategies, and then you will be able to find out the best niche for you, where you will be able to make much more money than you may be expecting now. So just follow this strategy and tell me, did you find out your best niche? Or if you have any query, you can type down in the comment. And I hope guys you like this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon button if you want the notification in your inbox whenever I upload any content. So guys, if you have any recommendation, just suggest me, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.